messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Wanjohi, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you fam. So today it's around 6:30. I'm heading for a nature walk around Ngong. So I've already taken a shower, I've already gotten ready, so I'm headed out. So guys, come with. So we have just started the walk. We are into it like a kilometer now. So it's just a nature walk, and you can see some other guys are in front of me. So we are just going to do like I think 20 kilometers and see what happens. See how many calories we're gonna lose. So guys, this is how I look. I will give you a full picture of how I look, how I'm dressed, my outfit of the day. So stay with me guys, I will keep updating you on how we'll be doing after every like 5 kilometers. Cheers. We have done a little over like 10 kilometers now. It's almost like I think almost 12 kilometers, and we're still going. We have like another 10 kilometers to go. My energy level, I got my water. Okay, see you on the next update. Guys, so we have just made a short stopover to drink water and then continue with the walk. As you can see, as we wait for also the other group, they were very behind us. We are the first group, so now they are coming, and then we continue with the walk. Hi. How's the walk? This is Pablo.
Iko poa.
Now we've done almost 15 kilometers, right?
Yeah, about 15.
And still we have like 5 more to go.
True.
Now guys, see you at the next stopover.
Aya. Naingia hapa. Wewe
Gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing. world, I'm gonna sing down under the water. Under the world, I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing. Under the world, I'm gonna sing down under the water. Under the world.
So we have just finished the walk. We are back at where we started. So we are just going to chill, freshen up, and maybe have lunch and see how it goes. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, where we have done like 20 kilometers. My whole body is burning right now. I'm so tired. My shoes are killing me. I just can't wait to remove them. I just can't wait to remove my shoes. And now I just can't wait to sit down and just relax. It was a good walk. It was a good nature trail. I really enjoyed myself and I can't wait for the next one. It's very important to have these walks once in a while for your body, to push your body to that limit and see how far you can go. So after my detox and now this walk, I think I'm on the right path. So see you guys on as we close this vlog.